So we've got an ISDT D2 charger, faulty input one. Right, I'll show you what the problem is. Charge 2 is fine. Nothing wrong with that at all. Stop that. Let's just try discharge. It's discharging fine. Let's move to port 1. Let's move to port 1. Let's do a discharge first. Discharging fine. 0.2 of an amp because it's being balanced discharged. Stop that. And then let's just try charge. Nothing at all. Doesn't even display any errors. Nothing at all. It's just not working. Even if I just try and do a non-balanced charge. Yes. Nothing. Very strange, this one. Not really sure what it is. Just stop it. Actually, let's just see if it'll recognise if I pull it out. Not really. Voltage has gone down. There we go. It did eventually. And that is the fault with the ISDT D2 charger.